Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Speed Dimension, the maiden voyage. My name is Lorenzo. This is Lorenzo. Hey guys.
Alright guys, so everything we got going on in the front is this 4-inch Cervini cowl head, and we have an upper and lower MMD grill. Pretty much does the whole front look for us. Over here on the side we have the GT350 style fenders. They're non-functional, but they still give a car a nice aggressive look. They go with the body lines and everything. And in the back over here we have the Drake Muscle Cars spoiler and the MMD louvers for the rear windshield.
So for today's video, we have some silver pinstriping on here that accents these black racing stripes. These are from Big Worm Graphics. We're going to be replacing those with white pinstriping, and then we're going to be adding the tire stickers or the white tire lettering to the cars all the way around. They're also going to be Nitto, just to kind of give it a fresh look. You know, it's kind of relatively inexpensive upgrade, but it's going to give the car, you know, a nice updated fresh look. So the adhesive that we're using is Gorilla Gel. It puddles really well and it works better than the super glue that comes with the kit. Gives you some extra time to work. It's not runny, and you can make some minor adjustments after you put the sticker down to the tire. So you want to make sure you're applying a good amount of pressure across the entire surface of each piece of letter. That way you get good contact and the spreading of the adhesive underneath the tire letter. So now we're going to move on to the front tire. You also want to make sure before you apply adhesive to the tire stickers that you hold them up to the tire to make sure you get the placement exactly the way you want them. So we're continuing to take our time here, apply pressure, wanting to make sure we get the best contact underneath the tire sticker. That piece of film you see there will get removed once you have the placement where you want it. So this is probably the most tedious part of the entire process, but you want to make sure also that you're taking your time to make sure that you spread the adhesive across the entire letter, across all the edges and corners to make sure you get good contact. Also wanted to mention that we bought an extra bottle of adhesive just to make sure we didn't run out, because that would actually be a really bad deal for you to be halfway through applying adhesive for a tire sticker and then you run out of adhesive. So you want to make sure you have plenty of adhesive. So here we are back in the rear tire. We're applying the second set. You can see we used painter's tape to make sure that we kept the second set of tire stickers lined up with the original tire stickers that we had already placed. So now that we're done with the tire stickers, on to removal of the pinstripe. This is the silver pinstriping that we're going to be removing and replacing with the white pinstriping. So you want to make sure you have a really clean surface before you apply the new stripe. We're using 90% isopropyl alcohol, but you can use 70%. We've used 90% in the past and it works out really well to clean the surface. So here we're using distilled water. It helps with placement of the pinstripe. So when I say that the water helps with placement, what it allows you to do is that if you make a mistake when you're placing the pinstripe, is you can lift it back up and then place the pinstripe back down. You can do that multiple times. So we lay the pinstripe about 1/8 of an inch away from the stripe and then push it against the existing racing stripe. That helps it really butt up to the stripe and look really straight. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought about the visual updates to the car. Also, please become a subscriber. Help us to grow the channel. And hit that bell notification so you're notified anytime that we upload videos. Thank you so much.